Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Spring is here, means we could easily find any kind of fruits that we like at the supermarket. Today we're going to make an amazing dessert out of my favorite fruit. Yes, we're going to make a light, tasty blackberry cake. So, why don't we just get all the ingredients and let's make this super refreshing dessert! Now, first thing first, bring the blueberries to a boil over medium-low heat and after it's boiled, we're going to stir constantly until the mixture is thickened and coats the spatula or the back of the spoon if you're using one. And now, this is totally optional, but I would like to slightly smoothen my blueberry jam. Time to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites into two separate bowls. Now we're going to beat the egg yolks and the sugar until thick and pale. We're going to add in the cooked blueberries, and then milk, oil, salt, and mix well. Gradually add in the cake flour and mix just until combined. Time to preheat the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we're making the meringue. Make sure your whisks and bowl are free from any kind of fat. Add in the cream of tartar or drops of lemon juice. Then, we're good to go. Adding the sugar in 3 parts. After all the sugar is added, increase the speed and beat the egg whites until stiff mix. Now we have such a beautiful glossy meringue. Gently fold in the meringue into the blackberry batter. Oh, look at this! What a beautiful batter we have here! We're going to bake the cake for around 40 to 50 minutes. For the blueberry glaze, add the remaining of the cooked blackberries, add in the water and powdered sugar. On a low heat, bring to a boil and stir until thick. Set aside and let it cool. Place the cake on the cooling rack and wait until completely cool. Time to top our blackberry cake with the blackberry glaze and decorate as desired. And ta-da! Finally, our blackberry cake is ready! The combination of sweet and sour from this blueberry cake is totally refreshing. Look at that beautiful color! It is such a perfect, delicious, yet light dessert to enjoy, especially during this springtime. Besides, this cake is so easy to make and most of the ingredients I bet you already have in your fridge. So, why don't you try this recipe at home and see you next time. Bye!